Hello guys, it's your girl Aimee, and I am back with another edition of Cash is Trash. Please do me a huge favor. If you enjoy our Cash is Trash videos, click that like button, subscribe, comment, share, and turn on notifications. That way you are notified each time Cash is Trash posts a new video. And here's a technique used to earn more than 25% in the stock market every year. Okay guys, so getting right into it, we have a Facebook page called Cash is Trash. If you guys are not familiar with that, please follow this image right here on Facebook after punching that in the search box. And hopefully you guys can answer the questions in order to be accepted into that Facebook group. Now this comes from our very own coach, Terrell Daniels. He mentioned, here's a technique I use to consistently earn more than 25% in the stock market every year. With the company Intel, or ticker symbol INTC, was down a few percent, so I bought 100 shares at $56.31. And he sold the September $57.50 cover call for $2.82. He mentioned I should pick up one dividend payment in August for 35 cents. This trade cost him $5,631. Now, if the Intel shares get called away at $57.50, he mentioned he would profit $118, plus the covered call premium, which is $282, going back to that previous paragraph, 282 times 100 shares, plus the dividend, which was for 35 cents in August, times 100 is $35. Total possible profit of $435. And he mentioned that this works out to almost 8% of a return in less than 4 months, which is close to 25% annually. He also mentioned to our supporters that if this is Greek to you and you don't understand, please reach out to him personally. Of course, one of the best ways of reaching our coach is through our group page on Facebook. Following this image right here. We also have our fan page using this image. You may email us at ella.luster@att.net, which is in the section below, or you may simply leave a question in our comments section. And Cash is Trash will get back to you as soon as we possibly can. We know that there are various ways and several techniques out there used to earn extra money in the stock market. My suggestion is that you stay connected with Cash is Trash as we use our account to show proof that they do work for us. And here's that ETF. Global X Russell 2000 covered call ETF with the ticker symbol of RYLD. What RYLD seeks to do is provide investment results that correspond to the price and yield performance before fees and expenses of the CBOE's index, and writes covered call options on the reference index. Now this ETF does have a big brother in QYLD and is considered a small cap fund. Now what really makes this ETF stand out compared to the others is its number of holdings. This one only has 2 holdings, which are VTWO and Cash. And Vanguard holds 2,000 stocks, and which may be a bit more. RYLD is at 100% buy and is currently priced at $25.25. You guys, please do me a huge favor. If you enjoy our videos, please click like, subscribe, comment, share, and turn on notifications. That way you are notified each time Cash is Trash posts a new video. The new math program. Okay, my friends, here is this new math program update. We started out with about $2,000 in January, and our account has increased to over $5,600 in just 6 months. Now tell me that's not growth. Wow. Now, if you guys are not familiar with the new math program, we have a video that will be placed towards the end of this video, just simply explaining what the new math program is about and how to go about getting started and your outcome, which is $1 million in about 7 years if you're following this same formula. It's not a guarantee, but you should be about where we are. So just stay up with us on this new math program, kind of watch what we're doing, and as it will help you in the long run, hopefully. Again, be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification button. That way you are alerted each time Cash is Trash posts a new video. One of the most popular platforms out there is Webull. If you are interested in signing up for Webull, please click on the link in the description section below. Fund your account with $100 and we'll get you signed up today. It's your girl Aimee completing another session for you. And always remember that uninvested cash is trash. I'll see you in the next video.